Good morning, PCE Trailblazers. Welcome back to school. Happy Monday. It is April 1st today. Look for those April Fool's jokes today, which typically happen on April 1st. Last week, Tustin PD came out and talked with some of our classes about the Tustin PD's Think About It program. We hope that your class learned a lot and enjoyed their visit. In second grade, in Miss Lee's class, students finished a social studies unit and engaged in a reader's theater to cap off their week. Out in the garden, Mrs. Hong's class were researching plants. They were gathering evidence and making observations. Avocado Amy enjoyed PE with 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders out on the grass last week. Looks like they had a great job stretching and getting a little bit sweaty with Avocado Amy. Our 1st graders are taking a pledge to show good character. Great job, 1st graders. Also, you'll notice our 1st graders highly engaged in Reader's Workshop. They were working on noticing when characters' feelings change. And when they're reading, they change their voice to adjust to the feeling of the character. Great job, 1st grade. TK out at their lunch tables were showing great eating manners. We're so proud of you, TK. And also back in the classroom, they were learning new sounds in words. Back in 3rd grade, they were engaged in Writer's Workshop. This class was working on main characters, identifying main characters, and then also identifying secondary characters in the mentor text that they were reading. Great job, 3rd grade. We also had a special visitor last week. Mrs. Akijian was our principal for a day. She got to visit classrooms with me, and also we had a special lunch back at the district office with our superintendent. If you don't know Miss Akijian, she is the board president for the Boys and Girls Club. So if you go to Boys and Girls Club, you might see her around. Here's a picture of Avocado Amy talking to the teachers and getting us all ready for our Boosterthon week. On the right side, you'll see our 2nd day of Boosterthon, having our huddle. I believe that's kindergarten and 1st grade maybe. That was the day that we learned about zest. And now it is time for Mindful Monday. Today we're going to learn about waves on the water and how to focus our mind. So sit back comfortably in your chair, and I want you to imagine that you are standing in front of a lake. The water is flat and calm, just like glass. You have a stone in your hand, and you throw it in the water. When it lands, it makes little waves on the top of the water. In your mind, watch the little waves as they go farther and farther out, getting smaller and smaller. Watch the lake in your mind until it gets totally calm and flat. Take a long breath in and let it all the way out. One more time. Take a long breath in and let it all the way out. Great job. PCE Trailblazers, have an awesome week.